Hi, this is Jim. I'm here staying on my amazing Greatmats.com flooring. I just feel so grateful to be here using this flooring. Murphy is so grateful as well. We're all chasing our tails here because we're so happy to get healthy and excited. Like Murphy, like, see how excited he is? Like, I don't normally see him as excited as that, because look at what he's on. It's this 3/8 inch confetti. Can you see the quality there, the workmanship? Yeah, it's pretty amazing. And Murphy just gets excited about it, as do I. I feel more grateful for my life. I eat more vegetables. I think I'm just a better person. And so, yeah, this is what we got. So I'm very happy with the flooring. Yeah, thanks, Caitlin.